Hey, I'm Zap Zach. We're here. We're loading a transformer. Get from a 120 volt source to a 12 volt source. We have our primary lead coming into our terminal block. We're starting with our hot, our neutral to our ground. It coincides up on top from our primary line as well. So H1 is your hot, H4 is your neutral, and ground is ground. Our H2 and H3 per diagram are crossed together. Our X2 and X3 together are coming out of our secondary out. And so you have your X4 as your hot and your X1 as your neutral. And then your load for your secondary comes down and coincides with the hot to hot, neutral to neutral. And you do have to pay attention sometimes when you're using this like 18 2-gauge wire. It has a ribbed side and it has a flat side, rather smooth. And so when you are connecting, make sure your neutrals and hots coincide with that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in now. And we're live. Once again, Zap Zach, thanks for watching.